Welcome, Sarah. Hello, I'm traveling these days and I'm at 13,000 feet in the Himalayas. Nice. Wow. Temperature drops to 0 degrees often. Here I am unable to follow my cold thirst digestion as the body is feeling need for hot drinks and hot food. Need your valuable insights. Does the cold thirst digestion operate everywhere, irrespective of temperature? However, my body is adjusting better with hot drinks here. Yeah, I don't know about climate. There's a lot of people saying that we should be, we are designed to be like thriving in the sun, like a tropical, subtropical species. And then all these places with very cold weather where people need to eat like whale fat to survive, like the Eskimos who live at -1,000 and they supposedly have to eat like whale fat to stay warm, and their lifespan is like 60 years old. So that's not right. That's not how it's supposed to be. So I would just suggest that take all these extreme conditions with a grain of salt, where you can't follow like an optimal, like what is optimal for your body. Like I wouldn't say that 10,000, 13,000 feet in the Himalayas, if your body's not used to that, if you weren't born there, that's your optimal place to thrive as a human, then just take it as, okay, this is an extreme, so I can't compare what is my neutral ideal circumstance to eat, to live, to move, to breathe, to do whatever. You got to treat it as an extreme circumstance, and then, extraordinary circumstances require extraordinary measures, and then you adjust. Just like, for example, like last winter, I did like a fruit juice detox in the middle of Swedish winter, and that wasn't a smart thing to do. I was like eating watermelon, which is cold, eating pineapple, which is astringent and makes you cold, eating like all these fruits who have a cooling effect on the body, where people usually eat this in like the middle of summer. And middle of winter, I'm doing fruit cleanses and shivering at a -1,000 in Sweden. That's not optimal. Like you gotta look around and see your circumstances. And because we are still conditioned, we cannot be fully realized humans, not yet at least. We are going towards it, back to our original blueprint. But currently, we are still removing programs from culture, removing programs from birth, from unhealthy eating habits, from unhealthy life conditioning, all these things. So we can't request our bodies to adapt in 2 days, or at least I still don't know the mechanism how to do it this quickly. And then this summer, I did the opposite. I was eating like big portions of sweet potato with cayenne pepper, which both, like sweet potato, if you eat it, it makes you hot inside and takes away your oxygen, which you need to cool down. And cayenne pepper is also very stimulating for blood circulation. So I did the complete opposite. In the middle of summer, I was like eating all this hot food that made me even hotter, and then you can't breathe. So, yeah, I don't recommend doing the opposite for your body, just that was my lesson. So, yeah, just look around, listen to your body. So, human design is a system that kind of that tells you, it gives you guidelines, but still it was channeled through a human, and we are human. And I believe this type of knowledge that is based on the body and based on nature and based on the things you can't really put into language, then maybe some things get lost, maybe some things get warped in translation, in the channeling. So always take all this very loosely, Okay, projector, generator, some things you can feel that are true. But if some things make you feel, like maybe there's something better for me and I feel it in my body, then go for that. Try it out. Okay. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, here and now.
Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses, Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other Human Design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch webshop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.